got 4 banh mi spots to show y'all in San Francisco. You don't want to miss it. Welcome to San Francisco Cheap Eats Part 3, Banh Mi Edition, where today I'll be taking you to a banh mi adventure where I'll be showing you 4 banh mi spots in San Francisco. All 4 are more expensive than your popular one in Saigon Sandwich, but they are still all under $10. So let's go, travel heads. Located on Clement Street, Cafe Bunn Mi will be the first spot to try on our list. Let's go check it out. So we're here at Cafe Bunn Mi. Got my sandwich, got my Vietnamese coffee. I have the grilled pork sandwich. What did you get?
I got the 5-spice chicken.
Okay, so what's in the 5-spice?
Well, you got chicken and you got the seasoning of 5-spice. You got carrot, you got your daikon, you got your cilantro.
There's a lot of shredded carrots in here. The daikons are some huge piece. Some onions in here, mayo, and yeah, a lot of grilled pork. That's actually a good amount of grilled pork. Kind of bummed out they don't have pate in there. Bread's a bit crispy on the outside, yeah. Spicy jalapeno. Probably got more of everything and left meat, so I'm gonna grab another bite. It has a pretty good char to it. Pretty dense grilled pork char. It's tasty. It's got a lot of flavor in it.
It's pretty good. The taste of mayo. It's very spicy jalapeno. It's like kicking me right now.
How's the chicken?
It's pretty well cooked.
I know there's no pate in here, but at least there is mayo, which gives it a little more flavor in it. $8 for a sandwich here. The neighborhood. Gonna try the Vietnamese coffee. It's a bit darker than what I'm used to. When I think of Vietnamese coffee, I think of Lee's Vietnamese coffee because I like that. I don't like it to be too strong. I can't handle that strong espresso taste like my dad can. See no condensed milk in here. Beans shredded. I would have preferred it with more with condensed milk. It is a little bitter, but I know the older generation, they like it like this. For me, I like mine's a little more flavored, a little more sweet as well. Just 2 miles away, we have DragonEats, which is right next to the entrance of Golden Gate Park. We have here our DragonEats. I have here the roast pork.
I have the teriyaki tofu.
Okay, so you're going vegetarian today. The roast pork looks really juicy, very fatty. Look at all that meat in there. It comes with jalapeno, shredded carrots, a lot of juice in that roasted pork. I'm not sure what type of juice that is. Must be the fat sauce, the sauce from the roast pork after it's done cooking. A lot of cilantro. They got pate in this one. And yeah, some daikons. And yours?
Yeah, so I got the teriyaki tofu. I asked for less cilantro, no jalapeno, very juicy. Has the mayo and the pate.
Bread looks a little more crunchy, crispy. Very strong smell. It does have a soy sauce smell to it. The meat is super tender. When you bite into it, the meat just comes out. It's super good. It's so juicy, so flavored.
Tofu, it's really tender and juicy. One bite, a lot of juice coming out of it.
Pretty fatty, and I like it like this. Look, look, the sauce is like leaking out of this. I'm super surprised at how good this sandwich is. I mean, look, that's a lot of meat. They stuffed it with meat as well. I didn't even eat any of the cilantro and carrots yet.
I'm just gonna finish the whole thing.
The roasted pork, the fat, the sauce in the fat, really good. Bread's pretty fresh. Outside layer is hard. You know if it could like give you some cuts in the top of your mouth, and you know kind of then it's fresh and good in a good way. Can't really taste the pate because whatever sauce on top of the bread actually overrides the pate. Oh, if you're wondering why mine's not cucumber, I'm not a fan of cucumber, and I did ask for no cucumber in this place and the other spot. The next spot on the list is Dinosaur Vietnamese sandwich. It's inside of a plaza. I had no idea. It looks pretty dope actually. So I got my shaking beef. It's a lot of thin slices of beef, as you can see right here. Look at that. It's very chewy. It actually reminds me of the pho dai, the meat in the pho dai. Comes with carrot, daikon, cilantro, mayo. I came here right when they opened, so I'm expecting a very, very fresh baguette. The baguette is really airy in the inside, very crunchy in the outside. Let's take a whole bite of everything at once. You could taste the added pepper in it as well. To be honest, while eating this, doesn't really remind me of a banh mi. I mean, it is quality though. That baguette is quality. You know, the shaking beef, I probably should have gotten a roasted pork if they had it. You know, having banh mi with a pho dai type texture type of meat isn't really like the best thing, I would say. Overall, it is a different type of banh mi that most banh mi places don't offer. Anyway, on to our next destination. Now to our last spot, which is part of mission, and I'm just skating there. Let's check it out. It's called TY Sandwiches. So let's head over there. One of the cheapest spot out there. OG hole in the wall. So as you can see, it's a very bustling street out here. I'm actually at the Hawaiian Drive-In, the next door, eating out here because I did buy food from them as well, so I can eat out here in some ways. I have here the lemongrass beef. I have some big chunks of beef in here, some cucumber, which I am gonna have to take out, sorry guys, because I'm not a cucumber fan. Cilantro, shredded carrots, some of their sauce, I'm not sure what that sauce is, maybe it's mayo. Oh, they even have onion in here, uncooked onion. Yeah, a very strong taste in the onion. But look at the meat, they do remind me of beef patties. The baguette is very light, crispy skin, like all baguette should be. Banh Mi for days. So it does have a different texture for this beef. I was expecting more of slices of beef, thicker pieces, but this one actually tastes more like grounded beef, but all stuffed together. Every bite you take, on the back end of your tongue, you can taste that lemongrass scent on it. In some ways, it's another place that's different from your average banh mi. It's the cheapest out of the 4 banh mi locations that I just featured in this video. It's not that bad. Every bite you take of the meat, you do taste some flavor, some juice coming out of it. Feels like patties, look, small little patties out here. We do gotta try their Vietnamese coffee out here. Look at how they have it dangling like this. This actually reminds me of Asia back in the days when I've been to Asia. Give it a little shake. I don't really see condensed milk in this, so it might be a very strong espresso taste, which I'm not the big fan of, but most Vietnamese love that. Okay, the espresso isn't that strong. You do taste a little of the bean, not too strong in the bean as well, so there's flavor. And we are out of here.